This revolutionary new device can reduce wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin, and other signs of aging better than expensive skincare. Most creams and serums not only don't work, but their ingredients and chemicals aren't safe or good for skin, resulting in skin irritation, redness, dryness, and rash. Instead, specialists recommend Lumigen, the world's first at-home light therapy treatment. It was created by a team of dermatologists and skin scientists. They learned that collagen production can completely stop at age 23. After that, you lose about 10% of your body's collagen supply every year. As people age, they often struggle with wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. While in-office skin treatments can help, most people can't afford it or end up waiting months for an appointment. So they use creams, serums, or other bizarre methods in an attempt to improve their skin. They end up being a waste of money or making their skin problems even worse. The public needed an alternative, so the skin scientists set out to create a safe and affordable skin anti-aging tool that anyone can use. After years of research with the world's leading skincare experts and laser technicians, Lumigen was born. Thanks to its patented design, it harnesses the power of a medical-grade LED treatment and puts it in the palm of your hand. Just turn on the device and choose one of 6 rejuvenating settings. First, use the blue light to kill acne-creating bacteria. Second, use the red light to penetrate deep into your skin, boosting collagen production and reversing signs of aging and sun damage. In just 10 minutes, you can give yourself an effective and purifying medical-grade LED treatment that reverses skin aging over time. It's safe, fast, and painless. Lumigen is rechargeable and portable. Unlike unrecyclable skincare creams, Lumigen only has to be purchased once, making it better for the environment. It comes packed with other features like a heat setting that opens your pores, doubling the absorption and effectiveness of your skincare products, a cold mode to shrink your pores and reduce inflammation, eye bags, and skin puffiness. It also comes with a sonic vibration feature for relaxing facial massage. This product launched in 2020 without any marketing or advertising and spread by word of mouth. What the creators didn't expect was everyone to start showing off their skin transformations all over the internet. After going viral, Lumigen sold out after just 3 weeks and quickly developed a waitlist of over 25,000. The creators of Lumigen have since doubled their production efforts and are now offering a 70% off sale to the public. So you can finally ditch your overpriced and useless skin creams. Every year, millions of cosmetic bottles end up in landfills and eventually poison the ocean. Many areas are affected by this chemical waste, and sea animals die from ingesting those materials. Protect your planet, your skin, and your wallet with Lumigen, the world's first at-home LED treatment device for skin aging. Click the link below to claim your Lumigen today with a 70% discount while supplies last.